If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and get the best tutorial on different learning topics. Also, hit bell icon to get notification on every upload so that you will not miss any of my video.
Hi, myself Shriyukta. Welcome you to my channel Alaukik the Learning Space. This is my sample text. Now what I will do, I will just add a unit in quantity column. Okay, so here kg and its price column I will write rupees. Now I will apply the formula to get the total value. I got this result because this 2 cell is not the numerical value. Fine. So today my topic is how to add measuring unit or text to cell in Excel. Okay. So now we will start adding a measuring unit. Okay. So now select the complete range of quantity, then right click, go to format cell, click on custom, then hash space in inverted kg and click OK. You will see that I have added unit. Now here I will add rupee. Select the range, right click, format cell, custom, in inverted rupees, space, hash and click OK. Now use the formula is equal to I got the result. Okay. So in spite of adding a unit, I got my desired result. Similarly, if you want to add a text in this column, select the range, right click, go to format cell, click on custom, then hash space in inverted years, click OK. Now this is my employee data and I got the year of experience of this employee. Okay. So this is how you can add a measuring unit and text to your data. Fine. I hope you understood this topic. Practice well. In case you have any doubt, just write in comment box.
If you like my video, please hit like button and share with your friend. And don't forget to subscribe my channel Alaukik the Learning Space. Thank you.